Hi everybody, Chris with Bad Flag. Today we are going to do a quick tutorial on the Bad Flag flagpole. We're going to introduce you to the different components of the flagpole, talk about how to install it on your vehicle, remove it, tips, and everything you'll need to know to use your new flagpole. As far as what makes up the flagpole, the major components include custom industrial vacuum pump suction cups. We have a solid fiberglass pole, and we have custom engineered hardware that connects your flag to the flagpole. When you're ready to install and attach your flagpole to your vehicle, the first thing you need to do is connect your favorite flag to the flagpole. I mentioned we have custom engineered hardware. This is what you're going to use to connect the flag to the flagpole. So the first thing you're going to do, you'll notice that the hardware includes a couple of Allen bolts. You'll also receive some Allen wrenches with your flagpole. So simply remove the bolt on the outer edge of the hardware, insert the grommet, and replace the bolt. On this lower piece of hardware, the first thing you want to do is loosen the bolt that secures it to the pole. This is so that you can adjust the hardware based on the grommet location of your flag. Each one is going to be different. Once you've secured the grommet to the hardware, pull the hardware and the flag tight so that you don't have slack in the flag. Make sure that the bolts that connect the hardware to the pole are nice and tight. The second step, after you've gone ahead and secured the flag to the flagpole, is finding a clean, flat surface on your vehicle to attach the suction cups. So for this particular vehicle, we're going to use this back window. The first thing you want to do is attach the bottom suction cup first. All you need to do is put it on the surface, give it a gentle push. That'll start the suction. And then this button, or this pump, is used to push the remaining air out of the suction cup. Keep pushing until the white indicator line goes away and the button stays down. That means you're good to go on that suction cup. For the above suction cup or the upper suction cup, use this plastic knob. You can slide this up and down depending on the surface. Once you've got it in a good location, just follow the same process. Give it a push, suction, push the button to get the rest of the suction going until the button stays down. Now once that's completed, I recommend that you give the pole just a little test tug to make sure that you've got a good solid connection to the surface. If when you give the test pull, if the button comes up or the suction cup comes off the surface, you know that the surface is either dirty, there's something wrong with the pump, or you need to find a flat surface. If it's on a flat surface and it's clean and it still won't stay on, contact Bad Flag for a replacement suction cup. When you're ready to remove the Bad Flag flagpole from your vehicle, it's actually really easy. You've got two ways. The first way is you can push up on this button on the bottom, which releases the air. The other way is to simply grab the edge of the suction cup and break that vacuum seal. So once you do that, they come right off. All right, so one thing that you want to avoid, if you have a light colored vehicle, you don't want to put the suction cups on any body panel that's plastic or covered in vinyl if it's a light colored vinyl. So an example on this vehicle, the bumper here is actually a plastic material as opposed to the sheet metal here. So you would not want to put one of the suction cups down here. We have had customers who have experienced discoloration when they've put the suction cups on a plastic light colored body panel. So you'd want to put the suction cups on the sheet metal or on a window surface on your vehicle. So a couple of tips when you're applying the suction cups to your vehicle. First, I recommend that you use a towel. Let's wipe off the surface of the suction cups. All right, make sure there's no dirt or dust or anything on the surface of the suction cups. And then one thing that we've found that actually helps it get a better vacuum suction to the surface of the vehicle is you just take a spray bottle and just spray a couple of times on each suction cup And that actually helps you get a much better suction onto the surface of the vehicle. Some final tips when using your BadFlag flagpole. Number one, ensure that your hardware is going the direction that the flag will be going when it's attached on your vehicle. Number two, spread the suction cups out as much as possible on the surface of your vehicle. That'll make sure that the pole is as strong as possible. And then finally, keep your vehicle under 70 miles an hour. That'll reduce the wear and tear on the flag and on the flagpole. If you have any other questions, see us at BadFlag.com, or you can find us at Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram. Thanks.